Looking for the best cordless hedge trimmer to tidy up your yard without the hassle of cords? Stick around. We're breaking down the top models ranked from weakest to best, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Kicking off our list at the number 5 spot is the WORX. Now, don't let its position fool you. This is still a solid tool that's earned its place on the list. It's a lightweight cordless hedge trimmer that's designed for easy handling and quick cleanups. And for casual use, it can absolutely get the job done. What really stands out with the WG261 is how comfortable it is to use. It's got that ergonomic D-grip front handle and weighs just under 5 pounds, so your arms won't feel like jelly after a quick trim. It's powered by a 20-volt max battery and includes dual-action blades that make it surprisingly effective for lighter tasks. Plus, it's compatible with all other WORX 20-volt and 40-volt power share tools, which is a nice bonus if you already own other WORX gear. But here's the catch. There's no official runtime or strokes per minute listed, which leaves some question marks when you compare it with more powerful options on this list. It's definitely not made for tackling thick overgrowth or extended yard work sessions. So, who's it for? If you're looking for a no-fuss trimmer for occasional maintenance and don't want to lug around a heavier tool, this is a great pick. It's ideal for small to medium yards. And hey, if you're interested in checking it out or any of the other trimmers in this video, we've got links to all the best prices right down in the description. At number 4, we've got the BLACK+DECKER. It's another 20-volt model and a direct competitor to the WORX we just looked at. Yeah, but with a few extra features that make it a bit more robust. The LHT2220 features the same blade length and cutting capacity, but adds a wraparound handle for better control. One of the highlights is its dual-action blades that reduce vibration by nearly 40%, a big help when you're doing a lot of trimming. It's got a stroke rate of 2200, which gives it a performance edge over the WORX model, and the compatibility with BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt system is a plus if you're already invested in their tools. That said, it's not without flaws. The battery takes a while to charge, anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, and while the vinyl blade cover does its job, it's not the easiest thing to deal with. Also, some folks have raised durability concerns about the charger over time. If you're someone who does regular trimming but doesn't need to cut through jungle-thick branches, the LHT2220 is a nice upgrade from our previous pick. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets us keep making more reviews like this one. Coming in at number 3 is a bit of a wild card, the WorkPro. It's not your traditional hedge trimmer, but it still earns its place thanks to its versatility and compact design. This 2-in-1 tool acts as both a grass shear and a mini shrub trimmer. What makes this one pop is its sheer convenience. It weighs less than a pound, has a tool-free blade change system, and charges via USB-C. Runtime is around 40 minutes, which is more than enough for small detail work. It's the kind of tool you grab for a quick edge touch-up or to clean around flower beds without breaking out the big guns. Of course, this isn't going to tackle thick branches or larger shrubs. The blade is short, and while it's sharp and quick, it just doesn't have the juice for heavy-duty work, but that's not what it's built for. So it's really a matter of using the right tool for the job. If you want something lightweight, cordless, and super easy to use for small garden work or quick weekend touch-ups, this is your go-to. Great for beginners, seniors, or anyone with a small yard who doesn't want to deal with gas or bulky tools. At number 2, we've got the BLACK+DECKER 2436, a serious step up from the earlier 20-volt model. This thing means business with its 40-volt battery and extended runtime, perfect for those of you dealing with larger yards or thicker hedges. Right away, you'll notice the performance bump. With a 24-inch blade and 2,400 strokes per minute, this model chews through branches and thick brush without bogging down. The added runtime of up to an hour per charge and the battery's built-in charge indicator are both thoughtful touches. The power drive transmission also adds some extra muscle, helping the blade move smoothly through tougher areas. Now it is heavier, but a full 9.2 pounds, and takes a bit more effort to maneuver. Plus, the charge time isn't lightning fast, so you'll want to plan ahead for those longer sessions. This is a great pick for someone with a big yard or thicker bushes to manage. If you're upgrading from a smaller cordless model and want more power without going gas, this is an excellent mid-range choice. And taking the crown at number 1 is the Greenworks. If you're looking for top-tier performance in a cordless hedge trimmer, this is the one to beat. It's powerful, efficient, and built for serious yard work. This trimmer brings a lot to the table. The 24-inch blade gives you a long reach, the 40-volt battery powers through up to an hour of trimming, and the 3,200 strokes per minute make quick work of even the gnarliest hedges. One of the best features is the rotating rear handle, which makes trimming at different angles way more comfortable. It's a little on the heavier side, weighing just over 8 pounds, and the price point is definitely higher than the others. But for what you get, it's absolutely worth it if you've got a lot of hedges or tougher material to cut through. If you're a homeowner who's serious about keeping your landscape looking sharp, or even a pro who wants a reliable cordless option, the Greenworks is hands down the best performer in this lineup. Ready to upgrade your yard game? Check out all the products from this review using the links in the description. We've found the best deals for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more top product breakdowns.